Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the new feature of M365. It's endpoint manager. So if you want to manage your devices, your end devices like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, iOS. Okay, so the endpoint manager will help you to manage it. Okay, so for example, if you have the on-premises Active Directory and you are managing your devices and apply some GPO level policy like group policies and to manage the devices and restrict some action or to particular devices. So that only works in the AD network. Okay, so if your device and comes under the AD network, that will work. That policy will work if you remove the devices from your network, your AD network. That policy will automatically uh, remove it from your devices. Okay, but the M365 Intune is the one of the feature of the Microsoft that can help you to manage your devices from any network. Okay, so if user will switch their devices on the home network, their company network, or in their cellular or public network, that policy will automatically apply on their devices. So the endpoint manager, if I am just clicking on the endpoint manager sections, it will automatically redirect me in the endpoint manager dashboard. So here we have the multiple option I can use to manage the devices, or overview of the my device, overview of my dashboard, overview of I can easily manage the devices. If I'm going to the dashboard section, I can easily get it the overview of my company portals. It's enrolled devices, okay, or there is some might be issues, how many Linux devices are there, how many Android devices are over there. Okay, so if we are talking about, there is a two type of devices that Intune will manage. One is the bring your own device and another is the uh, company on devices. The okay, so it's a we can say that we can manage or we can apply two type of policies, which is comes under the bring your own devices policies, and the second one is the fully device management system. So there is another method, there both have the different method that we can manage the devices. So if we go to the all services sections, all services basically it give you the list of the services comes under the uh, Intune Admin Center. You can easily manage it, or you can check it that what kind of policies, or we can say the what kind of services that allowed in my the license bundle. Okay, you can see there is a option, the devices, app, endpoint security, reports, users, group. So these kind of thing that you can easily manage it. So you can either, if you go with the user section, you will get in the list of the users. Okay, under the user there is a advanced level of features, it will automatically manage it devices from there, or user from there. If we I'm under the user sections, if asking about to move to the Microsoft Entra ID. So before going to the device section, that enrollment and policy creation, we have to understand the Entra ID section. So what exactly is the Entra? Entra is the Microsoft Active Directory, where you can easily, or where you can manage the devices, where you can block the devices, where you can use the uh, custom attribute to integrate, or for integrate your third party application to manage the user's login credential and the and activities of there. So you can see the Microsoft admin Entra admin center, I have the multiple options to manage it. So you can see I have the identity option, I have the protection option, I have the identity governance option, verified ID, permission management, and global secure access. Okay, So if I'm going to the identity sections, I got the users, I got the groups, devices, application protection. Okay, identity governance, external identities. If I'm clicking on the show more, I will got the more option: identity governance, external identities, user experience. So these kind of feature you will get it to manage your user activities. Okay, or you can enable or disable the connectivity, b2b connectivity, and uh, b2c connectivities. So these kind of things that you can easily manage it. Okay, also you have connected your on premises active directory with Azure Active Directory. So hybrid connectivity also you can manage it. You can check the status of your Entra connectivities. Even you can see the cloud syncing, even you can see the connected syncing. These kind of status that you can easily manage it from there. If you are getting any error, that you can check the error and identify, okay, this is the issue that I am going to face it. So you can easily identify the solution of the user. So in the later video we will cover up one by one these things. Okay, so how it works, how we can manage the users and groups from there. Okay, have a good day. Thank you, thanks for the time. Have a good day. Bye bye.